Today's the culmination of a long-term partnership we've had with the Skills Foundation of Mississippi and the Alliance. They sponsored a social media campaign for the last 3 months, and today we're bringing everybody in for our open house at 11 o'clock today and at 5 o'clock today. Without support from partners like the Alliance and the Skills Foundation, we couldn't do this kind of work because our funds are earmarked for workforce education training and can only be spent in certain ways. So they were able to infuse an additional $30,000 to pay for the social media campaign that we couldn't have ever purchased on our own.
What we wanted to do with the open house is give people an opportunity to come in, tour our program, talk to the instructors, be able to see what job opportunities were out there after they complete our program, and actually look at the equipment and see how our program is set up as far as taking the online courses to the hands-on equipment that they can get experience and get the knowledge that they need to be able to go into the workforce.
At first, I was kind of nervous because all this is new. It's just a lot of new stuff for me, but it's really fun. I mean, if you're learning about electricity, hydraulics, pneumatics, it's just, you get to know every single little part of this. It's just really fun to have it. And I like working with electricity, wires, and people won't think it's kind of hard, but when you get into it, it's easy.
Hey, our program is 6 months. It's going to cover all the basics of industrial maintenance from electrical, PLCs, hydraulics, pneumatics, motor controls, pretty much everything that somebody would see in a plant. We're going to let them put their hands on and try to get in depth with them in the short amount of time of our 6-month time frame. What we try to do is be able to work with people that has jobs that maybe cannot be traditional students to be able to go to school full-time, to be able to get them the certifications to be able to improve their life and get a higher position in their plant.